is life itself. Hello everyone, my name is Manashri Gajraj.
And my name is Askar Sharma.
It's my immense pleasure to tell you all that Jamna Vidyapeeth is celebrating its 6th Foundation Day.
I am so glad that our school has completed 5 years of its excellence and now gonna start its 6th year. The journey will be amazing and I am so excited to be a part of JP.
मैं ज्योति सिंह जमुना विद्यापीठ के वार्षिक दिवस के महत्वपूर्ण अवसर पर मुझे आप सभी को संबोधित करने का अवसर मिला। यह मेरे लिए बहुत ही सम्मान की बात है। आज के बच्चे हमारे राज्य के साथ साथ देश का भविष्य भी हैं। जमुना विद्यापीठ में विद्यार्थियों को उनकी प्रतिभा दिखाने के लिए सभी प्रकार की शैक्षिक और सह शैक्षिक गतिविधियों पर जोर दिया जाता है, जिससे वे बड़ी सफलता, नाम और प्रसिद्धि के साथ साथ मानवीय मूल्यों को प्राप्त कर सके और इस देश के अच्छे नागरिक बन सके, ऐसी हमारी कामना है।
Experiments, but nowadays it will not work. Teachers prefer the digital classboard to implement the ideas and created by the digital content provider. Online environment also become immersive. It is better than understanding rather than cramming. That's why JVP has an enriched smart class to provide knowledge in the best manner.
Nouns and pronouns.
Smart classes are so innovative and help us to develop our skills. The experiment practice in the classes help us to understand everything very clearly. Our smart classes are so beneficial for
We
us.
have invested in the new ERP industry, which would further raise the learning power of the students as well as the working at JVP. Our computer labs are well organized, and that computer labs are organized by well-educated faculty of JVP. Our children have one-to-one access on the computers, which means that one computer for one child. If we talk about our kids learn some words using PowerPoint presentations. Thank you.
Good morning all. Computer lab for us is the place to enjoy as well as to learn something. The teachers with their deep ocean of knowledge are making everything possible and easy for us that seems tough for the outer world. Thanks to my school for making computer wizards for us. Thank you.
JVP have better facilities of practicals, physics, chemistry, biology, so students can understand practically everything and they will perform.
Science and not science, as dictionary is not literature. Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Saini and I am a student of Jamna Vidyapeeth. In our school, we are provided with various facilities and also we have labs for all the 3 streams, which are chemistry, biology and physics. And all these labs are well ventilated and all the latest gadgets and equipments are available here. During offline classes, we visit our lab frequently.
Laura Bush, in her famous quote, said, "I have found the most valuable thing in my wallet is my library card." The similar feeling we are having in our library. JVP Library provides you an advanced dive in the deep ocean of knowledge through uncountable books, both printed and electronic.
My school has the best library. I love to spend time there reading numerous books.
Jamna Vidyapeeth provides multiple sports facilities to keep the students engaged and physically fit. We have cricket, basketball, football, rifle, shooting grounds as well as roller skating grounds. Our motto is to build the character and teach the importance of living a disciplined life to our students.
Good morning all. We are very enthusiastic about running to the playground and play. because we are having numerous sports activities here. Thank you my school to keep me mentally and physically fit.
Not just confined to academics, but focus on imparting skills to students like presentation, confidence, communication skills, personality development, conducting various activities in terms of sports, singing, art, dance, drama.
In this organization, I have learned many things about self-confidence, sense of responsibility, and stage fear, and etc. Even though in this pandemic situation, we are still going on with these activities through online classes.
Hello everyone, myself Avinta Saharan, mother of Nishan Saharan. I would like to congratulate JVP family on Foundation Day and also thank them for building a bright future for my child. I would like to say that the teachers treat the parents very nicely. They listen to our problems and quickly respond. Even in the pandemic period, the teachers are giving their 100% to teach our children. Once again, congratulations and thank you.
Good morning, respected principal and the lovely teachers of Jamna Vidyapeeth. I, mother of Harshit Chaudhary, would like to share the experience regarding Jamna Vidyapeeth. I can only say that the one student, one teacher, one pen, one book can change the whole world. So is the Jamna Vidyapeeth doing. The teachers of Jamna Vidyapeeth are very cooperative and very welcoming towards the child. And the child, he himself is very enthusiastic and very excited to learn from the teachers. And I'm really glad that my child is studying in Jamna Vidyapeeth. Thanks for being so welcoming and so cooperative towards the student. Thank you so much.
Hi all, my name is Kalpana Sharma and my daughter and son is studying in Jamna Vidyapeeth. We visited many schools before Jamna Vidyapeeth. We were also little worried कि पता नहीं कैसा होगा ये school. But I must say our decision was right. Teachers and all staff are really doing good. Online classes are going on well. Extracurriculars activities भी काफ़ी होती हैं यहाँ पे. I'm really satisfied with all things. Thank you JVP.
Hello friends, I'm so pleased with my child has progressed. Thank you JVP. Thank you for your help. My child is very happy. My child Kartike always talks about your school and what he's doing and he's getting on really well. The teachers are so good and really helpful. My daughter Unnati has learned a lot of things in your school JVP. Thank you so much.
JVP, I am Divyanshu father and I would say this is his third year in this school. My experience with JVP is really impressive. And they are really working hard with each and every student. What I have noticed is they are bringing with up innovative ideas through online classes. So I congratulate JVP and my best wishes with them. Thank you so much.
नमस्कार, मैं जितेंद्र जमुना विद्यापीठ विद्यालय से पिछले 5 सालों से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ। यहाँ बच्चों का शारीरिक, शैक्षणिक और मानसिक विकास पर कार्य किया जाता है। विद्यालय का प्रांगण 6 एकड़ में फैला हुआ है। यहाँ अत्याधुनिक प्रयोगशालाएं, लाइब्रेरी और डिजिटल क्लासरूम है। दूर दराज से आने वाले बच्चों के लिए यातायात की उत्तम व्यवस्था है तथा मैं उन अभिभावकों एवं अध्यापकों का तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं जिन्होंने इस विद्यालय को इतने कम समय में इन ऊंचाइयों पर पहुंचा दिया है। धन्यवाद।